Welcome back, class 12. Today we will discuss report writing. Basically, it comes under question 2, subsection A, and remember it contains 20 marks. So see, in a report writing, report on a specific topic is given. So what you have to do is, you have to read through the question and the given outline and select the points that can be grouped together. In this particular question, you will find various points are there. You will find that you can group 1 or 2 or 3 points under one heading. You can add more details if it is necessary. But remember, adding more points must be done very carefully. And adding more information can only be done if you think that it is extremely important. And you have to be careful while elaborating on each point, as the specified length for this question is 300 marks. You should remember, although there is no penalty in crossing the word limit. Now, let us start with this particular question. Now, let me read out something which is very important. Candidates will be required to write a report or a proposal on a given situation. The candidate's ability to decide on the set of measures to be taken in a given situation will be taken into account. A heading and an objective must be stated. So, how the marks are distributed: directed writing based on a suggested point, it is given in the syllabus. It contains 20 marks, which means that this question contains 20 marks. So you are an editor of your school magazine. Using the points given below, write a report entitled Science Exhibition on your school magazine. You may use other relevant points. So you should remember, before starting any report or writing, you should read the question, and in the question the title of the report is given. What is it? What is the title? School Exhibition. The points are given: venue, date, duration. Second point, objectives of the exhibition. Third point, preparation for the exhibition. Fourth, inauguration. Then fifth is chief guest, invitees, description of the atmosphere, events, activities of students, awards, closing ceremony, experience gained. Starting off, you have to write the heading, School Exhibition. For what purpose you are writing? You are writing this for your school magazine. What you have to write? Our school held a science exhibition on, specify a date, at our school grounds. You can change the venue also. You can write at Science City Auditorium, but it is better to write in school venue. The exhibition was held for 2 days. Specify the dates from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. Objectives of the exhibition. Objectives means why was the exhibition held? You can write at the same paragraph. You can write. Remember, it is better to write each point on a separate paragraph. If you club 2 points, you can include it in one paragraph. So in the first paragraph, you have written the venue, date and duration. In the same paragraph, you can write, our school held this science exhibition to create an awareness among the students to understand science better, and through this exhibition they can utilize science in their day-to-day life. Preparation for the exhibition. Next paragraph you can write, I'm just giving you the basic idea. You have to practice it at home. I will not write it for you. I will give you the basic idea and you have to practice. Until and unless you practice, you will never improve. Preparation for the exhibition. What preparations were taken? You will write that our science club of the school. No, don't write like that. You write that preparations started 4 months before the actual venue. The science club met. We took in the applications from the participants. We also went through what type of exhibits they are going to put up, and after rigorously going through all the exhibits along with the help of the science teachers, we chose 20 exhibits out of 50 applicants. Inauguration means the day it was inaugurated. You will write that on the day of the inauguration, an eminent scientist, name a scientist, or you can write a professor of physics from the Indian Statistical Institute, you can name him. Along with our science teachers, they inaugurated the exhibition. Chief guest was the principal of our neighboring school, you can write, or you can write eminent science professors from Calcutta University. Do some research work and find some name. They were invited. They went through the stalls and encouraged the students. Invitees means who were invited. All the guardians and parents were invited. They all came and everyone appreciated our science exhibition. Description of the environment. You have to describe the environment. How was the exhibition? How was the stalls? What different kinds of exhibits were there? You have to do a little research work. What were the events? You will write that in different stalls there were quiz contests, debates, there were little scientific models made for water power, for conservation of energy. Little models were made how to create electricity from solar panel which could be easily made in the home, how to use biodegradable resources as fuel and stuff like that. You have to mention some of the events and activities of the students. So you have understood, you are explaining something, because remember it is 20 marks. So 300 words, you have to be aware of that. And words you have to say that at the end of the exhibition, the we you will write that on the exhibition days, various eminent professors came and judged our exhibits, and after judging, awards were given. Basically, there were two awards given: the most promising exhibit, which went to name a student of some class and tell that he made a model where easily solar panel could be made in the house, and solar energy, how it can be converted to electricity. And second is, you can say, a model where rainwater harvesting could be done, where in the home rainwater could be collected and it could be reused after purification. Be creative, write something from your mind which is interesting to read. And after the awards were given, our science teacher encouraged us, and all the participants were given awards for participating. And at the closing ceremony, our science teacher encouraged us, and we also discussed about the next science project in the coming year, and we also promised that the next science project will be a bigger event from the current one. And experience gained, you will see, all the students, those who took part and those who came to see, understood that science could be used and should be used in our day-to-day activity, and in a very simple form it can be used. Science is not complicated. And they all returned home gaining something, gaining knowledge about science, gaining knowledge about our environment, gaining knowledge about how we can be conscious about our environment and how we can protect it. Because through this examination, the students who are the future of the nation became aware of the fact that if we become conscious and if we take science along with us, we will become a better citizen and India will be a better place. So, it is a type of composition. Report writing is a type of composition where the outline or the skeleton is given. You have to incorporate the outlines, each point, and expand it. If you want, you can incorporate, you can add certain points, but it will be risky. Why? Because you should be aware that this point is pertinent. It goes with the topic. Don't just add points for the sake of adding. Okay? So you have to understand that. And all the relevant points are given. You have to expand it cautiously, intelligently. Then only you can score well. And I have given you this as your work. I have dictated the outline. I have dictated how it could be done. You practice it at home and definitely you will write well and score well in your examination. So this is all for today. Thank you. Thank you very much.